Press the On button to access the home screen. Press the Menu button twice to access the recipe list section. Use the up and down buttons to navigate through the recipe list section. Select the category of the recipe you want to modify. Now choose the recipe to be edited with the Select button. Once we have selected the recipe, we can modify any of its parameters if we wish. Now to save the changes, go to the Edit Recipe section by pressing the Menu button 3 times. Select the Save option. Now, press the Back button to access the home screen. In the Edit Recipe menu we can perform different actions such as Copy recipe, Rename recipe, Delete recipe, Join image to recipe, Disjoin image recipe, Quick recipe editing with Q or Control. Now click on the Rename option to modify the name of the recipe. Navigate with the up and down buttons, and confirm the letter with the Select button. Set the desired name for the recipe. Press the Start button to confirm the new name assigned. And now we select the category in which we want to classify the recipe. We now join an image to the edited recipe. Navigate with the up and down buttons, and select the desired image with the Select button. We can also perform a quick recipe editing via the Q or Control.